7:14. Welcome back into Good Day Lubbock. Yes, I'm white and nerdy. Happy birthday to Weird Al Yankovic. Now, temperatures out there, 40s and 50s. Rain falling this morning to our west. This activity is moving to the northeast. You'll notice from Morton up towards Millshoe and Dimmitt. So putting a tracker on this, you'll notice going towards Dimmitt, Littlefield, Olton. We'll likely see some of this rainfall here over the next 30 minutes to an hour. It might make it into level land. Looks like it might be just to the north of the city. And then once we get into the afternoon hours, likely to start to see a few isolated storms should start to develop to the western half of our area. Then this activity will be pushing east. So this is bringing it into Lubbock about 7 to 8 o'clock. Again, right where that band extravaganza is taking place. Looking at the overpass, there was a multi-car crash early on. They're still trying to clear that out, and that's because of the road conditions. The overpasses on the Loop and Marcia Sharp have frozen over, so they've already closed some of those down. For a list of those closures, head on over to fox34.com. We had some heavy rainfall over the last 24 hours to our west and northwest. That's about a 40% coverage of the area, and that's what we're talking about when we give a 40% chance for some showers and storms. Looking at TxDOT cameras, Loop 289 in Indiana, traffic is moving along just fine if you are running a little bit behind this morning. Temperatures out there a little bit warmer than this time yesterday. Send in a photo to weather at fox34.com or tag me on Twitter or Facebook, Bobby Johnston WX. Now looking at some of those snowfall totals, up to 4 to 5, maybe 6 inches up towards Amarillo. So if you are traveling that way, had about a 40 to 45 degree drop in our highs yesterday, and we're about 20 to 25 degrees colder this morning than we were yesterday. 29 in Lubbock, wind chill at 19. That is what it feels like if you're stepping outside. This will continue pushing to the south, and behind it, drier air will start to filter in. You're going to notice we're going to stay nice and dry across our area with a nice, mostly sunny sky. Where they're also expecting some heavy rainfall for today is along the southeastern half of the U.S. For us, we're going to be dealing with this ridge of high pressure. The good news is it will be west here, bringing a northwesterly flow aloft into the higher elevations. That's going to help to keep our temperatures at bay. Not expecting any 100s. Where that cold front is also interacting with a disturbance in the Gulf, and that will continue pushing northward. Cold front will be lifting up that moisture, and they're going to see a lot of rain as we get through the rest of today. There is some rain off to the northeast along that cold front, and also our next storm system that will be bringing some colder temperatures going into tomorrow across our northwestern states. But we're under this ridge of high pressure. That's what's going to continue our heating trend over the next couple of days before this weak front pushes into our area on Saturday. And it's going to be a beautiful afternoon for the Tech game. A little bit of a chill in the air continuing here in Lubbock, still at 50 degrees, south wind at 8 miles per hour. These temperatures will be warming up with the dry air that we have in our area. Dew points down into the 30s and 40s, and that extends all the way downstate. That cold front that pushed through the region really dried things out. Now through today, those dew points will be returning into the 50s, and we'll also have a chance for some rain here tonight with a quick moving disturbance from our west. It will be pushing across New Mexico very quickly. Looking at Fox 34 Viper radar though, you'll notice Texas and across our region nice and dry. Across central U.S. is dry. Some showers and cloud cover off the east coast. Next storm system approaching the northwest, and that will be bringing some heavy snow into Montana, northern Idaho, and parts of Canada here today as that storm system starts to push into the U.S. And what it also will bring is some very cold temperatures the next couple of days. You'll notice that spreading south and eastward, and it will bring a big cool down even for us as we get into the later half of this week. But next couple of days will be nice and warm. Again, sunshine is expected here today. We will start to see that cloud cover increasing from the west. High temperatures nice, 77 in Lubbock, 82 Snyder, 78 Childress, 81 in Hobbs. Scattered storms expected to develop in New Mexico into the higher elevations and push to the east, giving us that chance for some showers. Even a few thunderstorms can't be rolled out here overnight tonight with that quick moving disturbance. And you'll notice All the rain chances coming to an end to start off the morning. Milder temperatures though, 61 here in Lubbock, and we're going to be warming up into the 80s for tomorrow afternoon. Mostly sunny sky, 87 in Lubbock, some 90s a little bit further south towards I-20. Also, the wind will be a little bit breezy next couple of days. Out of the south here, about 10 to 20 miles per hour, increasing for tomorrow about 15 to 25 miles per hour. And it will pick up to about 20 to 30 with the passage of that cold front. That's going to bring a big cool down. Lows into the 30s Friday morning and Saturday morning. 57 the high Friday, 60s and 70s returning through the weekend.